Good morning, students. In AI, unit number 3, knowledge representation. In this unit 3, previous video lecture, I will start the topic representation of simple facts in logic. Okay. In this topic, first I explain the basic introduction, then two subtopics are given. First is predicate logic, it is completed, and second is quantifiers. Okay, in quantifiers we can take different sentences and we can use the val form formulas. Okay, now today I will explain the another things which are present in the quantifier. So first we can take different each sentences, okay, and then we can simplify all these sentences by using the val form formulas. Okay, now suppose if we want to use these statements to answer the question, now we can make some question. Okay, for what? To find the particular solution. So we can make the question like this: was Marcus loyal to Caesar? Marcus was a man. Okay, so we can find out the man is loyal to Caesar. So this is the question and we can find out the question's answer. Now let's try to produce a formal proof, reasoning backward from the desired goal. So here we can take the sentences and make the formal proof. Okay, so we can start with not loyal to. This is the symbol for not. Okay, not loyal to, and in bracket we can write Marcus comma Caesar. Okay, these two are objects. In order to prove the goal, we need to use the rules of inference to transform it into another goal. Okay, so here we can follow the order and we can use the rules and we can find out the possible set of goals. Okay, and we can use this formula until we can't satisfy the goal. Okay, first we can take some goal and then we can find out the particular solution. Okay, so in starting we can take one question and we can find out the question's answer. So we can start with the person and the name of person is Marcus. Okay, so we can write this person in bracket Marcus. Now person Marcus, try estimate in bracket Marcus comma Caesar. Okay, this is another possibility which is performed by person Marcus. Okay, next is person Marcus and the symbol. What is the symbol? And symbol. This symbol is for AND operation. Okay, AND operation and its symbol is like this: person Marcus and ruler Caesar and try estimate marker comma Caesar. We can combine these two possibilities and make these three possibilities. Okay, and use the AND operation. Now not loyal to Marcus, comma Caesar. And we can take Marcus, comma Caesar is not loyal. Okay. So here in this figure, an attempt to prove not loyal to Marcus, comma Caesar. We can take Marcus, comma Caesar, and then we can reach at Marcus is not loyal. Okay. Now the problem is that although we know that Marcus was a man, in starting we can take the first sentence, Marcus was a man. Okay. And then we do not have any way to conclude from that Marcus was a person. We all are know that Marcus was a man and man is a person. Okay. So here we need to add the representation of another fact to our system, and we can represent this sentence like this. Okay. For all man X to person X. Okay. We can take Marcus as a man. Okay. And person is also Marcus. So we can combine these two sentences and write this way. Now we can satisfy the last goal and produce a proof that Marcus was not loyal to Caesar. In this above figure, we can prove that Marcus was not loyal to Caesar. Okay. So from this simple example, we see that three important issues must be addressed in the process of converting English sentences into logical statements and then using those statements to deduce new ones. Okay. So we can start with the simple example. Okay. And then we can make the three different issues, and we can procedure, or we can follow some English sentences and convert into logical statements. Okay. And here we can deduce means we can make the small sentences from the large sentences. Okay. So here first statement is many English sentences are ambiguous. For example, 5, 6 and 7 above, choosing the correct interpretation may be difficult. Okay. In previous video lecture, we can take these 8 different sentences. Okay. And in these sentences, 5, 6 and 8 number sentence. When we can read these sentences, we know that this is not simple English sentences. Okay. So we can choose the correct interpretation, means correct sentence meaning, and what is the difficulties, what words are difficult, we can find out. Okay. And then we can use similar word like Pompeian, similar word use, and we can make different sentences. Okay. So it is the first possibility or first issue. Second is there is often a choice of how to represent the knowledge. Simple representations are desirable, but they may exclude certain kinds of reasoning. Here we represent the knowledge. Okay. we can use the simple formula for representing the knowledge that user can easily understand. Okay, so it is the second issue. Now our third issue is, even in very simple situations, a set of sentences is unlikely to certain all the information necessary to reason about the topic at hand. Now we can verify, like we can take simple situations, okay, and then we can make the sentences as simple as user can easily understand. Okay, now in order to be able to use a set of statements effectively, and then we can use the statements or sentence meaning, and we can represent the facts, okay, and we can find the problem's solution. So these three issues are given, how we can reduce the statements. Okay, now I will revise the whole topic. Okay, our topic is representation of simple facts in logic. Okay, so first the basic introduction is given, then we can take the three different sentences, simple sentence, okay, and the predicate logic topic is given. We can find out the first order predicate logic, how it is provided and what terms are used. Okay, then we can use the WFF, well formed formula concept in predicate logic. Now second subtopic is quantifiers. Okay, in quantifiers we can use different sentences and different meanings. Okay, now we can take the different 8 sentences and we can use the well formed formula into these different 8 sentences. Now today I will start with the basic questions. We can make the questions from the different given statements, okay, and then we can take the figure, like how we can attempt to prove that not loyal to Marcus, Caesar. Okay, here we can take the person whose name is Marcus. So here we can find the question solution. Okay, Marcus is not loyal to Caesar, and then we can write the sentences. Marcus was a man and Marcus was a person. Okay, so we can simplify these two sentences and make some sentence like this: for all man X to person X. Okay, and last we can take the 3 different issues for reduce the statements. We can take different 8 statements in English and we can use these issues and reduce these statements. Okay, now in the next video lecture I will start the next topic, which name is representing instance and ISA representation. Okay, thank you.